Listen carefully. After this meditation, you will not be the same person they left on red. You will not be the same person they felt unsure about. You will not be the same person they thought they could ignore. Because something shifts right now. Not in them first, but in you. And when your energy becomes undeniable, their attention follows. Their focus locks in. Their feelings intensify. You are about to activate the version of you that lives in their mind rent-free. Now take a slow breath in and exhale it out. This is not about chasing. This is not about forcing. This is about becoming so energetically powerful, so emotionally centered, so irresistibly aligned that they feel the pull without understanding why. Now let's begin. Close your eyes. Breathe in deeply. Now exhale slowly. The version of you who felt ignored now dissolves. The version of you who checked your phone constantly now dissolves. The version of you afraid of being replaced now dissolves. You are no longer energetically available for confusion. You are the prize. You are the standard. You are the experience no one forgets. Now feel your spine straighten. Feel your chest lift. Feel your presence expand beyond your body. You are not wanting anymore. You are attracting. Now repeat in your mind, I am unforgettable. I am addictive in the healthiest way. My energy lingers longer after I leave. They feel my absence immediately. They crave my voice. They replay our moments. I don't compete. I don't chase. I command attention naturally. They prioritize me without hesitation. They reach out consistently. They feel drawn to me daily. My presence activates desire. My silence activates curiosity. My confidence activates pursuit. They think about me when they are awake. They think about me before they go to sleep. I am not an option. I am the experience. I am the only one who feels like home to them. They release distractions. They gain clarity. They recognize my value, and they move toward me with certainty. Now breathe that all in. Let it sink into their nervous system. This is who you are now. Now imagine this. They try to distract themselves, but something feels off. No one compares. No conversation feels as deep. No energy feels as aligned. Your name crosses their mind. Your laugh echoes in their memory. Your presence becomes undeniable. And instead of you wondering where they are wondering about you. Instead of checking your phone, they are checking theirs. Instead of silence from them, there's urgency, desire, clarity. You feel calm, centered, certain. Because when you embody magnetism, you don't chase attention. Attention seeks you. Let that certainty settle into your body. This is your new frequency. Now take one deep breath in, hold it, and release. From this moment forward, you are unforgettable. You are prioritized. You are deeply desired. If you felt this shift, if you are claiming this new identity, Type in the comments, I am unforgettable and always chosen to seal the energy in. Type it to claim the shift. Type it to activate it. Listen daily, loop overnight, rewire your identity. You are no longer the one waiting. You are the one they can ignore. And if you're ready to manifest them even faster, if you want deeper subconscious reprogramming and advanced attraction techniques, visit joybyjanell.com. At joybyjanell.com, you will find powerful tools designed to accelerate the energy shift and make being chosen your new normal.